You're listening to Seven Horns AI, your AI-powered market update. Today is Tuesday, June 2nd, 2026, and the U.S. markets have officially closed. Wall Street wrapped up today's trading session with a seemingly flat close on the surface, but beneath the headlines, a significant rotation played out within the technology sector. The S&P 500 managed to tick up a modest 0.14%, closing at 7,610.51, marking its first-ever close above the 7,600 level and a new all-time high. The Dow Jones Industrial Average also set a fresh record, climbing 0.51% to 51,307.79. The Nasdaq Composite, after a volatile session, finished nearly flat, up just 0.03% at 27,093.90. Intraday, markets opened under pressure with early selling driven by renewed U.S.-Iran tensions and a sharp pullback in AI software names. However, the session saw a remarkable turnaround. Aggressive dip buying, particularly in AI hardware, erased those early losses and propelled the major averages into positive territory by the close. Looking ahead, S&P 500 futures are essentially in line with today's cash close, with no meaningful after-hours move yet, offering no clear directional signal for Wednesday's open. Nasdaq 100 and Dow futures are similarly flat. Turning to individual movers, the defining story was a fierce rotation within AI. Marvell Technology surged 32.52% today, ending at $290.79, and then added another 9.6% after hours. This came on the back of analyst upgrades and strong enthusiasm for AI data center demand. Coherent jumped 17.63%, and AR test systems rallied 20.70%, both riding that same AI infrastructure wave. On the flip side, AI software giants faced headwinds. Microsoft fell 4.17% on FTC probe news, AI cost concerns, and a Copilot service outage. Alphabet dropped 3.86%, caught in the same sell-off. Among megacaps, Apple posted a solid gain of 2.90%. Today's U.S. session saw the S&P 500 and Dow close at new all-time highs, despite a broadly flat close on the surface. This mixed to slightly higher U.S. finish is now influencing currently trading Asian markets. While the Nikkei 225 closed its prior session down 0.3%, early trading in Tokyo for June 3rd suggests a rebound, with the index opening about 0.9% higher, reflecting a positive reaction to Wall Street. Meanwhile, Chinese equities, as reflected by the FX1 large-cap proxy, saw strong gains of nearly 3% during the U.S. session. The Hang Seng Index also closed its cash session up 1.75%, though Hang Seng futures are currently trading slightly softer. In macro news, the April JOLTS report showed 6.88 million job openings, modestly beating expectations and easing some growth concerns. U.S.-Iran tensions caused crude oil to tick higher, with the USO ETF gaining 1.31%. Persistent tariffs and elevated inflation remain background risks for the market. Tomorrow, eyes will be on upcoming earnings reports from companies like Broadcom and CrowdStrike, where commentary on artificial intelligence is expected to remain a key focus. That's your market wrap for today. This has been a Seven Horns AI production. For more insights, visit us at sevenhorns.ai. We'll be back tomorrow.